Good afternoon. Today is Friday, June 9th, 2023. I'm here at Ortega Landing Marina, and this is a hull clean and zinc install video for Rogue. Those down there are two R5s that were supplied by the customer. The R5s do not fit on the trim tabs. What is currently on your trim tabs are four R3s, and those things fit nicely. Those do not fit because the bolts are too big for the bolt holes that are in your trim tabs. But let's go ahead and see the zinc installed and